Alright, boys and girls, nothing is ever ideal. So the dashboard GoPro died, so we won't be having that, but we get the RPM reading from the OBD. And yeah, let's go see if we survive this one lap. This is my last try this time. The car is just not well prepared enough to do a lap. If the gears will switch, then the brakes won't be the best, and so on and so forth. So let's see, maybe I can get a semi-decent lap in here. It's gonna be shit ton of traffic, obviously, but I'd rather do it now than do it tomorrow. So I've done my best. Let's try to find an opening here. I really try to, I mean, it's gonna be tough to find open water here, but might as well try. Okay, there's gonna be Porsches coming. Let them through, let them through. Okay, he's giving me way. I'm not gonna be overly gracious. Let's have the window open a little. Palms already sweating. I don't like this metal gear knob. It's nice, but in a cosmetic way. Ah, fuck it, let's go. Let's see what we can get out of the little Honda. Gears again switching really hard. Let's see if we get even too far. Really fast Porsche coming. We're pretty fast too. On the brakes already early. We need the gears to be braking. I'm not gonna brake the brakes. They may just go all of a sudden, so we don't need that on the Nordschleife. Definitely not. And the track is warm. The tires are begging me for mercy, but what they are not gonna get is mercy. I'm gonna go as fast as possible. Quick Porsches coming. We really gotta slow down, so most likely it's not gonna be a fast lap. Again coming. Are we under yellows? I really don't know. I think we are, so let's turn in my hazards. Yeah, this is gonna be, I'm gonna just enjoy the track. I mean, we can't do any time if there's too many yellow zones. Let's just follow the more experienced guys here. What they do, we follow, and that's it. Ah yeah, I can see something's gone wrong there. The gears are again notchy, but it was just a second. Third and fourth seem to be fine. Nothing to be overly amazed about when the synchros are fucked on the second. So yeah, at least if it will switch when regular driving, then I'll be perfectly happy with this car. Okay, we're training up here. That's not ideal for me, because even if I go the hardest, I'm still most likely the slowest car here. Everybody goes, I go too, keep it in third. And let's go little Honda. What we aren't gonna do is we aren't gonna drive like little pussies. Pussies! We are gonna go hard. Get a little jump here. A bit on the brakes into fourth. Okay, the gears are still present. That's nice. Could have carried more speed through there, but whatever. Let's go, Honda! Please have brakes. Getting hard, over 200 here. On the brakes, on the brakes, on the brakes. The car is a bit wobbly. We got it into fourth. Take it easy here. I'm not gonna brake because it's downhill. Be easy on the brakes. Try to get into third. We see the fast cars coming. Now it's a good opportune moment to let everybody go. Let's just all the fast cars go. And then we're off. The fact that I have a shitty little Honda doesn't mean that I'm a pussy. Vauxhall 170 is fine on these tires. Let's have a little caution here. Nice compression, we got it into fourth. Off the brakes, over the curb, like a real professional. But no gears, no gears. We found fourth, we'll take fourth. We found third, so I think it might be my changing also, but at least they're switching. I'm gonna go hard as long as I can. Not gonna pussy out. 1/3 of the track done. I'm gonna go hard. That's what I'm here for. Let's not go max speed here. I could have, yeah, it's just not switching. I'll take fourth. I'll take any gear, really. Yeah, we got it into third. I don't know, yeah. We gotta check this, because it went into third nicely, but not when I'm doing it in anger. And I'm not like panic shifting or anything, or like trying to muscle it in, because I'm, you know, so stiff behind the steering wheel here. I'm pretty loose. Ooh, loose guy. Loose guy on the track. Loose guy on the loose. Not the best angle, but we made it. Oil spool, okay. Let's just see where it is. Miss, hit, miss, hit, miss. Okay, take it easy here. Yeah, again, can't fight third. We got fourth, I'll take fourth. No third, second, no third. We will take fourth. I'll have a gear, please, thank you. Any gear is good. Take it easy here, since we don't, oh, we had third now. Third was custom order on this this time. Let's be a bit cautious here. And up the hill, we have third. Go, little Honda, go! VTEC, 8,000 RPM, we have fourth. Say, let's remember Niki Lauda here. My greetings to wherever you are. I don't know, whatever you believed. No third. We got fourth. No third today. Can we get third uphill? Custom request for third. We got third. Let's go. It's definitely, I mean, at least it's shifting gears now with the new oil. Third is on request. Fifth gear, we have fifth. I don't know the speed here. We're going to go faster. Let's let the fast guy by. Don't want to ruin anyone else's time. Let's see, fourth. On request, we have fourth. Let's go. It's a pretty good lap. I'm satisfied this far, so let's try to end it on a high note. We're halfway through. Slow down here a little. Yeah, because we really don't have third, as you heard. Let's try not to break the car, keep it in fourth. I could go faster, but whatever. Another fast car coming, give way. I don't want to even intervene with their lap. So, I mean, I just don't have enough car. Let's let them go through, because we really don't have gears. Oh shit, fast guy's coming. Yeah, we have third now. Let's stay with these guys a bit. Come on, BMW, you should have the power on me. Okay, let's take it easy here. I need a third here. I need a third. Thank you, car. You gave me third. Whoa, something locked up. I hope it's not the gearbox exploding. VSA warning. I have no fucking idea what it means, but we don't need it most likely. Yeah. Okay, we have fourth. I'll take fourth. Fourth is better than no gear. really struggling uphill. We get into third. We're cool here. No ABS, VSA. I don't know. I don't really know. No third. We have fourth. Fourth is good on a downhill section. Let's do the Nürburgring thing and cut the corner. On the brakes here, downhill section, keep it in fourth. YouTube's coming up, so we're gonna take it right and easy here. Whoa, messing with my shit there. We're not gonna make a fool out of ourselves here. Yep, I see you, Mr. BMW man. I'm just gonna keep it as close as I can, give you space. Yeah, another BMW man, let them through. Fuck that white BMW M2 would be so manageable, but I just don't have gears. Come on, can we get third? We can get third. On custom order, uphill, third. Let's go, Mr. BMW man. Try not to kill myself here, following you. Little brakes before, jump, brakes after. We can stay in fourth here. Honda man is coming, BMW man. Oh shit, everything is falling to pieces. Drop the phone, no, don't drop it here. Throw the phone on the passenger seat. Honda is collapsing around me, but we're still going. Fifth gear. BMW man, move. Little Honda is coming. Okay, not get too close and not get too cocky. No fourth gear, still no gear, still no gear, still no gear, still no gear. No third, no fifth, no fourth, no third, no fifth. Okay, I guess our lap's done here. Let's see. I'll let it cool down. I mean, we're in the safety zone anyway. We got gears. So something's fucked up in the gearbox, but what? Who knows? Something is, but at least it shifts when it's regular driving, and this is a fucking workout. But yeah, I gave it my best, boys. This car just doesn't have any more in it, but it fucking drives well. These shitty tires, shitty brakes, it doesn't matter. It fucking drives well. It fucking drives awesome. Shit. Good little car, good little car. It doesn't matter that everything is not right. We're gonna make it right. Or break the gearbox eventually at home. But yeah, let's just cruise here. Little Honda, you earn your money. I mean, this lap was a bit fucked up, but at least I saw that I can be decently fast. I mean, some casual BMW M2 man, shit, get out of my way. But I mean, we couldn't get close enough. And I suppose this was the lap. We have some sort of error code on the dashboard here. It says VSA. I most likely don't need VSA anyway, so yeah, who requested for that? And yeah, sadly this is the Nürburgring experience this time. I won't be having a proper fast lap, and I mean, it just fucking makes sense. I just got this car from a random guy in London and I took it around decently fast, so we'll take that home. But I don't know, I don't have anything smart to say. Definitely gonna upload this lap. This was a hella fun lap, and Jonas out from here. Peace.